Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the last part of question number 3rd. In this case also you have to find the missing terms in this AP, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms in this AP where the second term and the sixth term is given to you. And we know that if we want to form an AP, the first term is known as A, and after that you have to add a constant to this A to form this AP, and that constant which we have to add here is known as common difference, which is denoted as D. So I have added 1D to this, and if I want to form the third term, I have to add another D to this. So there will be 2D added to the first term. After that another D, there this will be 4D, and the sixth term will be A plus 5D. In this case, the second term, which is A plus D, is given to you, and the sixth term, which is A plus 5D, which is equals to minus 22, is given to you. So these are the two equations we know. Now solving these equations, we'll get the value of A as well as the value of D. So either you can substitute the value of A in second equation, or you can directly subtract these two equations. So if this equation is subtracted from this, so the sign will be changed. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus, and minus will become plus. Plus minus A can be cancelled out. Plus minus is minus. So 5 minus 1 is 4D with negative sign, because greater value has negative sign. And these two can be added because plus plus is plus. Now the sign has changed of 22 to plus. So this will become 0 and this will become 60. So the value of D here will become 60 upon, this should divide. So this is minus 15. So the value of D, or the common difference which we are adding in this arithmetic progression, is D. Now substitute the value of this D in any of these equations, you will get the value of A, which is the first term. So I am substituting the value of A in first equation. So the first equation is A plus D equals to 38. Now A and the value of D is minus 15, and this is 38, and this is minus 15. Opening the bracket, plus minus will give minus, and the first term will be this 15 was shifted to that side, this will become plus 15. So adding this, 8 plus 5 is 13, and 3 plus 1 is 4, and 1 is 5. So the first term here should be 53. So in this case, in this AP, the first term is 53. To form the second, you are subtracting a constant here. The value of this constant is minus 15. So 53 minus 15 is 38. Now again you have to subtract minus 15 from 38 to find the third term. Minus 15, and so on. So you will get your answer. So here we have to subtract 15 from 38. So 8 minus 5 is 3, and this is 23. So this will give us 23. And again, if you want to find another term, you have to subtract 15 from 23. So the result will be 8, and this will be 8. And again you have to subtract minus 15 from 8. So this will become 8 minus 5, 7, and the sign will be minus 7, because in these two the greater value has negative sign, so the fifth term will be minus 7. So this is how you can solve this question. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any problem in maths, you can directly contact us. The phone number and the email address is given below in the description. Thank you.